I'm getting annoyed now. Why is this always happening?
Oof, this is the fun bit, bro.
Pablo, ESMOTOR.
Welcome back, guys, to another episode of ESMOTOR Behind the Scenes. Today we are going to be looking at a 992 Turbo S, another one that we're doing with the ES800 package. We're going to be tuning that with race fuel. We had it on the dyno the other day on pump fuel and it made 830 at the wheels. It's actually been with us previously as well. This time round we fitted a DOE T8 induction kit to it, which has just been newly developed by them. So it was interesting to see the gains in that. So we'll get that on the dyno. Danny's been working on Craig's upgrade to the ES1000, the fuel system and the wiring. And there's another couple of bits and pieces going on in there, and yeah, that's it. We'll see what happens today. No, it's 992 on there.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro. You know, how far are you?
Pulling up.
No, perfect. Alright, cool. We're ready to go. Alright.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Bro, I've got so much crap in my pockets, man. Give me 1 second. I've got some race fuel that I just went to collect. That's why huh? Oh, bro, you know what? I'm losing hair, so there's no point even checking it. Look at Marcus's hair, like, you know what I mean? Uncle's not young, you know. Uncle's not young. But anyway, bare missions in the morning for me. Just came back from Santa Pod, collected some MS109 for the 992 that we're going to put on the dyno just now. That in the morning got, especially me and Taha went and ran to get some paint. Look at that. At the end, so we were deciding what color to go for. I don't know if you can catch that far, but I like the green, but everyone thought green's gonna look so weird in the showroom, so we went with the grey. Marcus here is just gonna paint the whole thing grey. Pillars are going red. That's why you see red on the pillars, to see which is the best red to go for. Yeah, man, so loads of stuff happening. Yeah, let me show you the race wheel that I'll go, isn't it? That's the fun bit. This is the boring bit. We let Marcus deal with that. Marcus. Oof, this is the fun bit, bro. 50 litres, MS109. Ready to go for the 992, right? Yeah, that's for the 992. But yeah, man, so much going on. I think I'm just gonna I'm gonna move a maze car first and then put the car on the dyno. All right. Oh, sending engines off to Turkey, packing engines up as well. So loads going on, man. Let me start moving this car first. Bro, if there's anyone watching that loves radio, yeah? I don't really like radio, but there's a new app called Radio Green. Is it called Radio Green? No, Radio Garden. Bro, it is sick. Check that out. So all these green dots, right, shows you live radio. Just go wherever you want. We're in Switzerland right now. Come on, bro. You know what? I don't fancy Switzerland. We're in Hungary. Right. It's coming. Come on. See? Bro, sick. Whichever country you want to listen to radio, put your AirPods in, do your work and listen to radio. Show the app, bro. Radio Garden. Sick. So that's something that I taught you guys today.
What we're doing today is we're sticking refitting a new engine into this car. It had been done previously by another shop and they'd got the vacuum lines mixed up, so that's something we're able to do. It's not just 911 turbos and everything, this is just the Carrera S that we're working on today. Got it all sorted, just bolting it back in. Should be good in about another hour or two and then ready to hit the road again. It's an easy job taking them out because you got two engine mounts here and here. That's just their mountings. And you got two gearbox mounts down the front underneath. And we've just got our jig on our table lift. Drop the engine onto it, lift the body off, and then you got an engine out. But yeah, this one's all ready to go back together. Just started it this afternoon, so shouldn't take me too much longer, and then we're all good.
To make power while you're here. So hopefully this car is going to make some power while you're here. And I don't need to use my iPhone tomorrow to record it. But actually he's going back to the customer today as well. So
We need fire, man.
yeah, this one will make loads of fire. This is going to be fast as well. So we've done a baseline check on the current pump fuel map, and after the DO88 induction kit has gone on, it's adapted a little bit more, and you can see it's made even more power now, 836 at the wheels, and 633 foot-pound of torque at the wheels. One thing to note here is just the power curve. It's awesome. It's so linear right to the end, and also the torque curve. It's not peak torque down low, or in like some of these cars. When other tuners tune them, you get peak torque up here, and then it dies down for the rest of the RPM range, and that just, it doesn't create a fast car. It feels fast because you're getting that big kick of torque straight away, but it's not. It doesn't actually translate into being fast on the road. The beautiful thing here is that the torque gradually comes in. You get peak torque actually 6,400 RPM, which is quite late on, so it's coming in nicely, and it's a really flat curve. So you're getting over 600 foot-pound of torque for near enough the whole gear, whole RPM range. So that's why these setups, these ES800 kits on the 992s, they're so quick. Even on the 991s, it's a similar graph as you probably have seen previously. But that's why this kit works so well. With Emery's magic behind it, you know, it's just, it's awesome. You can see it's there in front of you, and then later on, once we get this on the road to drag it will be shown in numbers as well. So we'll put some race fuel in it now, run it up. I've got a new file to put on there for the race fuel map. We'll put that on and then see what it makes. Right, so we've been doing some revisions on the race fuel map, and this is where we are at the minute with it. 866 at the wheels, and again, as you can see from the power curve, it's very linear. Same with the torque. Again, it's a great flat torque curve with peak torque coming late on, so that it's quite safe for the stock engine and for the rods as well. I mean, that is stupid amounts of power for the road, and with the 992, with the amount of grip that it gives and everything, this is going to be a really fast car. That's actually the highest powered 992 we've had on our dyno to date, even more than Taha's by like 3 horsepower so far. So Taha's made 863 on the same race fuel tune for his car. This one's making a little bit more, but it has got the DO88 intake kit on it as well, so that's probably making a little bit of a difference. Emery's just going through the logs now to see if there's any more improvement or any more room on the table for this setup on the dyno, and then we'll take it out on the road and see what we can get out of it. But I mean, that's crazy power. It's just over 1,000 horsepower at the crank with just bolt-ons, literally. It's just turbos, intercoolers, meth kit, and exhaust system. So it's an epic setup. But let's see if we can get any more out of it on the dyno. If not, then we will get it on the road, do some logs and see how quick we can go. But it should be a fast car, very, very fast car.
Everything's all in place, everything's plugged in. Just need to put the rest of the stuff in. Just wipe open the coolers, and then for a start, bleed it all, and then customer will collect it tomorrow afternoon. It's all done in just a couple of days. So it's, yeah, something we're good at, getting stuff in and out quick. You know.
This was the final graph. So again, as you can see, that power graph, so linear. Peak power at 7,000 RPM, just keeps pulling. And again, the torque curve. So it's not whole heap of torque low down. Peak torque's actually at 6,500 RPM, and it's such a flat torque curve again. When it comes on the higher boost, it just holds it right to the end. So yeah, they've gone out to drag it now. So let's see what that translates to on the road.
Oh man, this is a ridiculous horse.
This is like low setting at the moment. What do you think?
Oh man.
I think I'm losing the touch.
What happened?
Losing the touch, man. Well, to be honest, it's not really my fault. Look at the weather. Oh,
I don't know if you can see
no,
the
it looks
camera.
clear on the camera, but I swear the road, it's like someone got, bro, bucket of water. I swear. It's
Is it raining?
dry. Yeah, man. But I think either we wait a couple of more hours, try a few more runs, or wait till the morning. But this car's got so much potential. It felt so fast. Well, that was his first experience in the car.
What did you think, Ajay?
How was it?
Yeah?
Really? Was it fun or did you get scared? Not scary. But yeah, I've got a
All right, cool. Well, let's just check the myth. We'll check the logs and then. And now again.
Yeah, but alone this time.
AJ, why are you not
AJ,
going?
what happened?
What happened?
I'm done. I'm done.
Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, it's raining, man.
Bro, I can't let Danny beat me. I can't let Danny beat me, bro.
Are you gonna get any numbers in this weather?
Well, I hope so.
You better teleport to Mexico now. Take that, drag you to Mexico, and go do some numbers.
Inshallah, let's see what happens. That much fuel enough?
Huh?
That much fuel enough?
Yeah.
Alright, got one map. Seatbelt on, safety first.
Alright. I see you in Mexico, man.
I'll see you soon.
60, 100, 200.
This weather is a bit too bad, so he's coming back now. I think you can hear him around there, but yeah, if you look, it's like proper raining. He still got a 399 earlier, so it's not too bad considering the weather, but let's see what happens. You can still see the rain on the car. Maybe we'll allow him today. See?
I should have listened to Mr. Expert.
Who's Mr. Expert?
You were like, you sure you're going to go out in this weather?
Oh,
I literally just turned around.
Mr. Expert
and
now.
came back.
What was the quickest time you got earlier on?
3.99.
And what was that with it spinning as well?
Wait for my spin. But it was
This should be faster though.
what, the faster than 3.99?
I think it will get faster than 3.9.
100%. Bro, the weather's too crap, man. Look at it. Well, you can't really see in the camera, bro. Look at it, I'm slippery.
Michael Jackson. Right, so this is now officially the UK's most powerful 992. Sorry bro, but this has just got a tiny bit more power than yours now. So Taha's is dynoed at 863. At the wheels, this is done 878. Taha's is still the fastest accelerating 992 worldwide.
That's because of the lightweight package, right?
I think conditions were good. It's got the lightweight package as well, but that 3.8 400 200 is going to get some beating. It's still got the highest terminal speed of any quarter mile as well. 992.
This has still got a chance if the weather's
This has
better.
got a chance. So Richard's car's definitely got a chance to get up there. But you know that only means one thing, innit, Rebecca? How you need more power.
Exactly.
But no, it's good. The 992 program's coming along nicely. Richard might be getting an engine build himself later on this year, so you could be seeing this car pushing out about 1200-1300 horsepower later on. But yeah, the 992 program's pushing on nicely, and we shall be pushing out some even faster cars later on this year, so keep tuned.
Thanks guys for tuning in on another episode. We have got lots more coming in the next few weeks. We're going to have some more updates on Jamie and his beast. We've got a couple of little special plans for that, so that's going to come into fruition in the next few weeks. We've got this beast under the cover there, getting some more upgrades as well, so that's going to be pushing some good power. We've also got the green beast, Wahid, Mr. Nazir's car, coming back in for the ES 1100 package and the upgrades. We've got Mr. Singh's behind us getting some bits and pieces done on it as well, so that'll be good from there. So basically, long story short, lots of big power Porsches coming soon, so stay tuned, stay subscribed and keep watching.